Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and this is a simple stamping day. I'm going to make a note card using Free as the Bird stamp set. Let me bring this up so you can see this whole set. And you hear all the pattering. It's raining here in Minnesota where we are right now. So we're going to be using Free as a Bird. Inks, we're going to be using Memento, black, Stampin' Right markers. We're using the Regals in the Neutral collection. We're going to be using crumb cake, because I can't find my soft white, crumb cake, crushed curry, and old olive. What else we're going to be needing is we're going to be needing just one of the note cards, Whisper White note cards. So the first thing I'm going to do, and today I'm going to stamp this with, ink it up and stamp it with the Memento ink. Today I want to show you how to blend with the Stampin' Right markers. You don't necessarily have to have the blender pens or the blends to blend with. You can also blend. They're not as easy, but you can also blend with the markers. So I'm going to wait that and let that dry a little bit. Clean off my stamp set. Put it away. Okay, now I'm going to get out my crumb cake. And okay. Oh, here's the old olive. I was going to say crumb cake and old olive. Crushed curry and old olive. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to just do some of the birds in crumb cake. I want to do a yellow-breasted whatever it is. I know, probably no such thing. I'm just doing this just around there. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to take out my crushed curry and I'm going to do that. Now here's how you're going to blend this. You're going to take your and you're going to go all the way around again, and you're going to darken that birdie up just a little bit, and you're going to go over that area, that yellow, because you want to blend it in. You don't want that hardness there. Oh, and I'm going to have to get out some real red too. Forgot I had the poppies. So there I go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend. I'm just going to make a 1 on the branch, but I want it a little darker down in this area. So I'm just going to go over it again and darken it up. And then it gets lighter as you go. Okay? Now again, you can do this just one time. put the green on, or just do half of it a little bit darker. May want to get out some of your subtles, pear pizzazz, and do a pear pizzazz and an old olive also. And I'm going to get out the real red. I'm going to get a new real red. Somebody used my real red with the tip. I've got a couple others I've... Yeah, always use your markers on the side, never on the tip. Okay. Oh, there's another one. So you got that. On the inside, I am going to put a thanks for being you. Oops. Grab the wrong end. Just going to ink that up with black. Oops. And there we go. Let's bring this down so you can see it. Sorry about the lighting. Need some more lighting here, but in this area it's really hard in this trailer. So remember to follow me on YouTube, and all of the information to create this is down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.